Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to create a business card very fast in Canva. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, here I will use this canva.com to create the business card, and as you can see that this Canva not only will give you the chance to create maybe poster or image or PowerPoint design, but also the business card, as simple as that. And how to do that? Well, I will go to this template, and disclaimer, don't forget to do the login first with your email guys. And here I choose to open it with my PC to get more spacious view. And for this template, I will type, for example, business card. And as you can see, if I scroll down, there will be a lot of options of the business card itself. There are the business card design that also show the picture and also without the picture. And also you can choose and select the template itself. As you can see that this business card is really aesthetic. And for example, I will start to make it. For example, I will choose the simple one. And after that, you can continue to choose the paper here. You can choose the paper standard, premium, or matte finish, gloss finish, uncoated, and how many business card, that you would like to produce. And this will be the look. Maybe this will be the front, or also this is the rear view. And I will continue to customize this template, and it will direct you into the another tab. And after that, you can continue to do the editing with this business card. For example, I will choose to change it to become John. You can give it a double click until it can be edited. John Millennium. For example, I will choose to edit it to become Blue Company. And for mobile number, you can also edit it. And the email, for example, John Millennium at blue.com. And you can put the website here, Blue, and the address, for example, Santa Monica, for example, Los Meca. And you can also put the postcode, postal code, and you can go to this rear section, Blue, shift enter, company, and after that you can end up this editing and go to share and click download. click done over here because there are two pages, and here I think I prefer to download it into the PDF print, and click download, and kindly wait for the process, and our business card is ready. So that's all guys, I hope this video found you helpful. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.